Don't worry about how things might turn out. Just remember the thing came to those who don't try. Just remember that nothing came to those who don't try. Worrying won't keep the bad stuff from happening. It just keep you from enjoying the good. No matter what happens, it will pass and things will never come back. Move on enjoying your life. Sometimes you have to wake up in order to dream again. Life becomes harder for us when we live for others, but it also becomes richer and happier. Life is much like a joke, doesn't make much more sense until it ends. If someone wants to be a part of your life, they will make an effort to be in it. Don't bother reserving a space in your heart for someone who doesn't make an effort to stay. The grass is only greener on the other side if you are not afraid to climb the fence. Giving up doesn't always mean you are weak. Sometimes it means you are strong enough to let it go. The worst mistake anyone can make is being too afraid to make more. The only thing that is staying between you and your dream is will try to and the belief that is actually possible. Self-confidence is the most attractive quality a person can have. How can anyone see how awesome you are if you can't see it yourself? We learn something from everyone who passes through our lives. Some lessons are painful, some are painless, but all are priceless. Being happy doesn't mean that everything is perfect. It means that you decided to look beyond the imperfections. Nobody ever wrote down a plan to be broke, fat, lazy, or stupid. Those things are what happens when you don't have a plan. 3 things you cannot recover in life: the word after it's said, the moment after it's missed, and the time after it's gone. Be careful. Tough. No one can go back and make a brand new start. Anyone can start from now and make a brand new ending. When the past calls, let it go to voicemail. Believe me, it is nothing new to say. Rule of life: do what makes you happy. Walk away from anything or anyone who takes away from your joy. Life is too short to put up with fools. Don't be afraid to stand for what you believe in, even if that means standing alone. The best revenge is massive sex. Forget all the reason it won't work and believe the one reason that it will. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found yet, keep looking, don't settle. Life is short, live it. Love is real, grab it. Hunger is bad, dump it. Fear is awful, face. Memories are sweet, cherish it. When you say it's hard, it actually means I'm not strong enough to fight for it. You stop saying it's hard, think positive. Life is like photography, need the negative to develop. Don't worry about failures, worry about the chance you miss when you don't even try. The pain you feel today is the strength you feel tomorrow. For every challenge encountered, there is an opportunity for growth. Build your own dreams or someone will hire you to build theirs. Just know, when you truly want success, you will never give up on it. No matter how bad the situation may get. Accept the responsibility of your life. Know that it is you who will get you and where you want to go, no one else. I don't regret the things I have done. I regret the things I didn't do when I had the chance. Challenges are what makes life interesting, and overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. It's hard to wait around for something you know might never happen, but it's hard to give up when you know it's everything you want. One of the most important keys to success is having discipline to do what you know you should do, even when you don't feel like doing it. Good things come to those who wait. Greater things come to those who get off their ass and do anything to make it happen. Happiness can't be traveled to owned, earned, or won. It is the spiritual experience of living every minute with love, grace, and gratitude. In order to succeed, your desire for success should be greater than your fear of failure. Go where you are celebrated, not tolerated. If they can't see the real value of you, it's time for a new start. Just know, when you truly want success, you will never give up on it. No matter how bad the situation may get. Accept the responsibility of your life. Know that it is you who will get you and where you want to go, no one else. Love what you have. need what you want, accept what you receive, give what you can. Always remember what goes around comes around. Just remember there is someone out there that is more than happy with less than what you have. The biggest failure you can have in life is making the mistake of never trying at all. Life has no rules. Never quit. Always remember the rule. No one is going to hand me success. I must go out and get it to myself. That's why I'm here to dominate, to conquer both the world and myself. Not everyone is meant to be in your life. Some people are just passing through to teach you a lesson in life. Not everything will go as you expect in your life. This is why you need to drop expectation and go with the flow of life. It might take a year, it might take a day, but what meant to be always find its way. Don't cry over the past, it's gone. Don't stress about the future, it hasn't arrived. Live in present and make it beautiful. Life always offers you a second chance, it's called tomorrow. My life is perfect even when it is not. Life is inherently risky. There is only one big risk you should avoid at all costs, and that is the risk of doing nothing. If things seem under control, you are just not going fast enough. A good life is when you assume nothing, do more, need less, smile often, dream big, laugh a lot, and realize how blessed you are. Focus on what matters and let go of what doesn't. Our sole desire to be understanding, our ego is only concerned with being understood. When you are being understanding, you are connecting to your soul. It hurts to love someone, not be loved in return. But what is more painful is to love someone and never find the courage to let that person know how you feel. Treasure every moment that you have, and treasure it more because you shared with someone special enough to spend your time with. And remember, time waits for no one. Yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, today is a gift. That's why it's called the present. Forgive your enemies, but never forget their names. Never allow someone to be your priority while you're just their option. I want to refresh my mind, delete all my problems, undo all my mistakes, and save all the happy moments. No matter how big your house is, how recent your car is, or how big your bank account is, our graves will always be the same size. Stay humble. Life can only be understood backward, but it must be lived forward. Accept what is, let go of what was, and have a faith in what will be. Don't rush and never settle. If it's meant to be, it will be. Life is short, don't waste it being said. Be who you are, be happy, be free, be whatever you want to be. Let me be patient, let me be kind, make me unselfish without being blind. I may have faith to make mountains fall, but if I lack love, then I'm nothing at all. You will never change your life until you change something to daily. The secret of your success is found in your daily routine. When you love and laugh abundantly, you live a beautiful life. The vibes of life. Who you are is what makes you special. Do not change for anyone. What lies ahead will always be a mystery. Do not be afraid to explore when life pushes you forward. Push back harder where there are choices to make. Make the one you want regret. Why things happen will never be certain. Take it in stride and move forward. There is a difference between life and love, wrong and right. Never run if you are not ready to take a step, and never forgive if you are not ready to forgive. Never make permanent decisions on temporary feeling. Don't talk, just act. Don't say, just show. Don't promise, just prove yourself. There comes a time when you have to choose between turning the page or closing the book. Life under no obligation to give us what we expect. At one point in your life, you will either have the thing you want or reason why you don't. You don't need a reason for doing everything in your life. Do it because you want to, because it's fun, because it makes you happy. Never forget yesterday, but always live for today, because you never know what tomorrow can bring or what it can take away. Life comes full circle. More people would learn from their mistakes if they weren't so busy denying them. You can't download a lifestyle. Nobody has it easy. Everybody has problems. You don't know what they go through. Nobody is perfect. Nobody is deserved to be perfect. So before you start judging, criticizing, or mocking, remember everybody is fighting their own war. No matter how carefully you choose your words, they will always end up being twisted by others. If a plan doesn't work out, don't worry. You still have 25 letters left. Life is a dance. Sometimes we lead, sometimes we follow. Don't worry about what we don't know. What's important is we learn as we go. Character is made by many acts, but it can be destroyed by a single one. Whenever I look at my palms, I wonder which of those funny cuts, cries, cross lines made me so lucky that I never met you. Hope more, wine less, breathe more, talk less, say more, hate less, love more, and all good things will come expectedly. There is always a positive to those negative times because you come out of it so much stronger and wiser. The strength comes from every hardship, and it's been a lesson for me. Life is very interesting. In the end, some of your greatest pain become your greatest strength. Time is free, but it's priceless. You can't own it, but you can use it. You can spend it, but you can't keep it. Once you have lost it, you can never get it back. Life fails to be perfect, but never fails to be beautiful. We all create the person we become by our choices as we go through life. In a real sense, by the time we are adults, we are the sum total of the choices we have made. Sometimes life will test you, but remember this: when you walk up a mountain, your legs get stronger. I'm afraid of not living more than I'm afraid of living wrong. Experience is something you cannot learn from others, but only yourself. Buy the little things for one day you may look back and realize they were the big things. Greatest pleasure in life is doing what people say you cannot do.